1971 Jeep CJ-5 here at Unique, especially in classics. Underneath the hood, V6 power, 225 cubic inches or 3.7 liters. That would be the Dauntless V6, which would be produced by Buick and also make it an era-correct engine. I believe 1971 was the last year you could get that engine. In the Jeep CJ-5, let's take a look at the front grille, headlights, bumper. You can see it's finished in this just kind of flat beige tan, I guess if you will, sand color. 3-speed manual transmission, 2-barrel carb on it. We're going to fire it up, let's hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. But first, still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Looks like we have locking hubs up front. Radial Toyo tires. Looks like plenty of tread on those also. Technician noted the brakes are 60% in the front, 60% in the rear. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the passenger side mounted spare. Soft doors. Bimini top. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. A couple things that will come with. Looks like we do have a battery tender there, extra steering wheel. Those will go back in it and go to the next owner. Receiver has been mounted on the back of it. This is all steel too. All steel tub, front fenders, hood. And once again, check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A few notes from previous owner on this and the technician. Some info, new water pump, gaskets, 4 new wheel cylinders. It's originally from California. That's where this Jeep originated at. Heater's been added, wiring gone through, no shakes or vibrations, brakes straight. Like I said, 60% in the front, 60% in the rear. And FYI, there is a safe that is underneath the driver's seat. We'll send along the combination for that. If you like Jeeps, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what model, what year that you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. But the videos are uploaded daily. And when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or off our showroom floor, of course. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. So vinyl seats, do have seat belts added. I'm not noticing any rips, tears, or holes in those. Turn signal indicators. Again, soft doors. 3-speed manual. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Pretty simple dash in these. V6 pops right over. Looks like the fuel gauge is coming up. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be on. Looks like there's a fan switch for that heater. Aftermarket temp gauge down there also, so again you can see that it has not moved up. I'm guessing they're probably running off of that one. Make sure we're in neutral. Nice throttle response. Oh, hey, blinker works. Try the other one while we're at it. I'm going to slip up to the front of this. Let me get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay and then stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood, there's that V6 power. Again, the Jeep Dauntless V6 Buick produced engine. 2-barrel. Battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage or in between drives. Sounding good. 1971 Jeep CJ-5. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1971 Jeep CJ-5. A little bit of a military look with that coyote or tan or beige look. This is a 3-speed manual with an 8-ball shifter right here on the stick. Easy to drive. A little bit of slacking with steering, somewhat expected in a vehicle this vintage. You hear some squeaks and clicks. Some of that is the pedals. But it is a smooth runner. It starts up easily. There's a manual choke on the left side of the column. We have an aftermarket blinker system set up on the column. The speedometer is working. Temperature gauge has not come off of cold yet, but I've only been running 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Fuel gauge reads a little over 3/4 of a tank. This one's ready for off-road. You got a bar, a passenger to hang on to if things get bumpy. Nice flat seats. Bucket seats, I'm sorry, in this Jeep. Storage right here. And an armrest. Also handy. Utilitarian, that's how I describe most Jeeps. We've got a soft top overhead. You are strapped to the roll bar right